Hey there. Are you looking for a way to start your own business with low upfront costs, no inventory, and limitless creativity? Welcome to the world of print on demand. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of starting a profitable print-on-demand business. We'll cover everything you need to know, from choosing the right niche to designing products and driving sales. Let's dive in. Print-on-demand, or POD, is a business model where you sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags, but the products are only created after a customer places an order. The best part? You don't need to handle inventory or shipping. Instead, your partner companies take care of production and logistics for you. The first step is choosing your niche. What group of people are you targeting? A niche makes it easier to stand out and connect with your audience. Some examples include pet lovers, gamers, fitness enthusiasts, or even niche humor markets. Tips for success. Choose a niche you're passionate about. Use tools like Google Trends to analyze market demand. Call to action. Let me know in the comments what niche you're considering. You don't need to be a professional designer to create stunning designs. Use free or affordable tools like Canva or Photoshop. Remember, simple and catchy designs often perform best. Design tips. Keep it clean and readable. Use trending design themes like retro fonts or minimalist art. Ensure all designs are original to avoid copyright issues. Pro tip: test your designs with friends or on social media to gauge interest before listing them. Next, choose a reliable print-on-demand platform. Some of the top platforms include Printful, offering high-quality products and seamless integrations with platforms like Shopify and Etsy. Then there's Printify, known for its wide product selection and affordable pricing. For beginners, Redbubble and Teespring are ideal with their built-in marketplaces. Compare platforms based on product variety, shipping times, and profit margins. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to set up your store. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce make this easy. Customize your store design to reflect your brand. Upload high-quality mock-ups of your products. Write engaging product descriptions optimized for SEO. And here's a pro tip: offer bundle discounts or free shipping to encourage higher order values. Finally, let's talk about marketing. Without marketing, even the best designs won't sell. Use social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to showcase your designs. Run targeted ads on Facebook and Google. Partner with influencers in your niche. And don't forget email marketing to stay connected with customers and offer exclusive discounts. And that's how you start a print-on-demand business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching.